Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we meet again. So let us look at the similar to this one that we just did now. So, but this one, we are told there is a cutting plane there that is at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, so from here till here, it was diameter 42 using a nominal scale 1:1. So from there till there is 15 millimeter. Then from here going up, which is the height of our cone, it was a 50 millimeter. There from here till here 15, from here till there 50. You understand? So now we are told from here to the cutting plane is 40 millimeter. So from here till there is 40 millimeter, and then you project this line to the center so that you get this cutting plane. So it's cutted like this, you understand? So now we can have this one solid. Now from here till there to apex point, we are going to have dash line, which is a hidden detail. So in other ways, we are saying this part is no longer there, but actually it was a full cone. So what we can do now, we are going to divide our circle into 12 equal parts. Have this one going down, which is the center, isn't it? So now take a drawing compass, putting it there, further extend to your half there, isn't it? Then come and strike an arc there, and come at this point, strike an arc. You have to be accurate, eh? Strike an arc there, strike an arc here. I come there, I strike an arc there. You understand? Where I've struck my arcs, I join this point. Now I use faint line, eh? I join this one, there it goes. This one again, and this one again. So the numbers are, since they are saying okay, let me just say this is my 0, this is 11, this is what is 10, this is 9, this is what is 8, this is 7, this is 6. Remember that this was a diameter, which means the other 6, which is 1, 2, 3 will be somewhere there, blah 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 blah, back to what it would be out there. We do not and by numbering them like this, we also consider them, you understand, also consider them. And then thereby they said note that the XX is the joint. So actually the XX there simply tells you that's where they've cutted it, you understand. So the second step that you are going to do, you are going to project this line going up, faint, then another one there, faint. I'll stop where the bottom part of my cone start. 8 supposed to be in with 4 up there, 5 with 7 up there. Then from there I take them to my apex point there. There you go. There you go. Like this we go. Like this you go. So I've jumped the step of where you are drawing the given views. I don't think there is somebody struggling to draw the given view of this one. It's just simple, straightforward. If you are struggling, let me know down there on the comment, and then we attend that. Then from there we are going to have, let's say this is R. That's where we are going to refer all the points. We regard that point as reference point. Okay, so now let's get our true length. Take your drawing compass, put it at your point R, further extend it to 0.6. Try to be accurate. Then there you go. There you go. So once it touch this line of yours, remember which line is this one? Is this one, where your front view is resting, So now this one, I can say this is the point of 6 and 0. You understand? Once I get that, I take it up to my apex point up there. Faint. There it goes. Then let's get point 0.7. Place it at your reference point and further extend it to what? To 0.7. Be faint is this one. There it goes. I hope you can see my faint line. Once it touches there, it's going to, this is the point of 7, 5 the side and 7 the side. You understand? Because they must be like this if you tend to number them. So go back, place it at your R again, reference further extended to 0.8. There you go. Like this, isn't it? To R to 8, Then from there, this is the point of 4 and 8. So now you take it to your apex point as well. Faint, So now take your drawing compass again, put it at your R. Yes, it's out now. My R, we are getting 0.9 now, which is the center. So I can draw it as such so that I know that I've got 3 lines before the center and 3 lines after the center. So this is going to 0.3 and 9. You understand? Then you take that point to give you the line of 0.3 and 9 to your apex point up there. You understand? So now there we go, R to 0.10. There you go, faint, like this we go. Once it touch there, once it touch where is right there. So this is going to be 0.2 in line with 10. You understand? So you take it to apex point, there it goes. Then after you've gotten that, now we are going to get 0.1 with 11. Place it at your R, reference of these angles of these points of this constructional line of ours. There it goes, there it goes. Once it touch there, this is 0.1 with 11. So you take it to what? To your apex point there, front view, apex point. There you go. So these are true lengths that we are getting. So 0.0, which is the last one, your R to 0.0. There it goes. There it goes. Faint, There it goes. So this is going to be 0.0 with 0.12, isn't it? So from there you go, take it to what? To your apex point. Right. Once we get the year, now we can start. So I will decide my my development to be somewhere here attached to using the very same apex point, but you can separate it. It's still one and the same thing. So I am going to further extend this side, this line just a little bit back. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So you understand? Then from there, I take my drawing compass, I put it at our apex point there. Let me mark it. So further extended to 0.0 with 12. So I get a constructional faint line that's going to behave like this. Just like this. I've placed my compass at apex point, further extended to 0 and 12, and I put a very big arc that's going to be like this. So now I can say this is it's my 0.6. let me mark it 0.6. Then from there, now we are going to actually not 6 0, because our x is at 6. You understand? So mark this 0.0, because we are developing, we are starting to develop opposite to the cutting plane, so that the x it should be at the end. So we started right opposite to the what, to the cutting plane. You understand? Because the cutting plane is there at 0.6. So there by your development, you cannot say this is 0.6. You understand? Like on this previous drawing that we just did. So I will say this one is 0.0, since this is the line of 0. Let me show. Since this is the line of 0 there, 0 and 12, isn't it? There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. From here, you understand? So from there, what I can do, I'll end with that one. Let's go to line 1 and 11. Line 1 and 11. Place your drawing compass there at your apex point. There it goes. Point 9 and 11 is this one. Then from there, like this, I go faint, strike an arc, making it a little bit longer. So now we've gotten line 1 and 11. Go back to your apex point. Now we are going to get point 2 with 10. Place it at point 2 with 10. There it is. Then I strike an arc. There it goes. You understand? Now and then line 3 with 9, which is the center. I'll draw it as such, so that I know that I've got 3 lines before the center, 3 lines after the center. You understand? So I need 3 more. So 4 with 8. So there it goes. 4 sharing the same line with what? With 0.8. So 5 with 7. There we go. So remember. So 6 with 0, There it goes. So now you remember the formula, which is say L is equals to pi diameter over 12, close interval. So this, why are we saying close interval? Because in case there is a scale, this drawing is given a certain scale, so you must further simplify that d, because if you substitute that distance for the for the diameter of that particular of the front view that you are given, so it's supposed to be simplified further according to a scale. You understand? Before you substitute it there. If you have been substituted, you can say divide it by 2, then you can put it like that. But another way, graphically, you can take this space, because this space, they're supposed to be equal. They're supposed to be equal. So this is it. Without disturbing your drawing compass, now you come there at 0. You say 0. Mark there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you come this side, you say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all in all, there must be 12 equally spaced. So what do you do with that? Then now you are going to construct them towards your apex point. There you go. Faint, There you go. What are you doing now? Don't spoil your work. Neatness count as well. There you go. A1. Then like this we go. faint, like this. We can go, there we go. This side again. Construct them like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. The last one, like this we go. Right, so I can say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I can also say 0 1 2 3 5 6. That makes 12, so now if they say this is the cutting plane, so what do we have to do now? We have to get these ones. How are we going to get them? We are going to start with what? With the point 0. Well, let's start with the point 0. This is the line of 0, isn't it? Let's start with 0. How? Take your T-square. You are going to project a straight line towards your true length. Then you stop there. There is the point that you are going to take. You understand? So by placing your drawing compass there by your apex point, further extended to this point that you just got here. There you go. Then from there I can strike an arc going like this. So now I cannot say this one from here till there is solid, because the cutting plane is not here. You understand? It's the other way around. So now we are going to get, because this is 0 1 there, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Right, after you've gotten this point O, which is point O, this one and this one still the same point, isn't it? And we know point 0 with 12, they're in the same point. That goes to our true length, isn't it? From there is the outer line. So thereby your development point O or point 0 is this one, isn't it? So now from your front view it goes like this, remember. Then you place it your compass to your apex points. Once it touches this line of your true length, isn't it? Then you take it, there you go. So it's going to intersect right there. You understand? So then now remember that these ones, they were out of order. So now let's get to point 1. There by your front view, this is point 1. Remember, point 1 is the second point from the point 0, isn't it? There it goes in line with what? Point 11. Let's finish up. There it goes from here. I am going to have this line, and once it touch the line of 1 and 11, which is the second one, this is 0 and 12, this is 1 and 11, this is 2 and 10, this is 3 and 9 descending. You understand? Now take your drawing compass, you placed it there by your apex point, further extended to this line of yours. Now draw a what? Faint constructional line that's going to behave like this. This is the line of 1 and 11, so this is going to be right there. You understand? So now to get the second point, which is point number 2, so there you go. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So the point that I just got looking for is this one. So you place your compass to apex point, to this point that further extended just a little bit, if it's this one. So now have faint line very close, have faint line that's gonna behave like this. So this is what, this is line, my pencil leads is not, this is point 2, which is right there. You understand? Too close. So point 3, which is the center line. The center line, which is this one. So there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Till right there. Now place your compass at your apex point. Further extend it to this point that you just got now. Center. Up until to point 3, which is this one. Point 3 is which one? Is this one. So plot the point there. So point 4, you go back, take your T-square, you go straight horizontally. There you go. Once you get there, you stop. So I've got a point right there. Now take your drawing compass, place it there to point 4, point 4. Then there you go, too close, just a little bit below. Just a little bit below. So at point 4, there it is. You understand? There it is. Can go like this, still on the same thing. So point 5, there you go. Point 5 is this one. Once it gets there, that's your true length. Place it at your apex point, and you must have 1 point there by your apex point, because by look of things, Mina is like I'm having many points now. There must be 1 point. This is 5. This is 5. There it goes. Point 5, which means I've got a point there. So the last one, which is your point X on top, which is point 6. There it goes. From here, go take a drawing compass. From here, this is point 6. Then there you go. Then from there, I can now say this is my very last point, which is point 6. Okay, so now let's see what is going on. So now we can say, since from here till here it's a what? It's a cutting plane. That's why they cut it, which means the portion that has to be dark at the end of our development is actually from this point to that point. So trace it. Let's firstly trace this point. That goes, which is this one, isn't it? So trace this, the bottom line of it is this one. So that goes, which means from there till there, without fear or favor, is going to be dark. From here till there, which is from here till there. So you trace this line, there you go, which means it's going to be dark like this. Understand? So now we know what we are going on the bottom part of it, of your development. You'll be going corner to corner diagonal. So you are going to have a point there and a point right there. The end point, it has to be that one. You understand? So there is a point, right there. 3 and 2, 1, back to 0. You understand? So then you can join them using freehand or flex curve. Please try to get a flex curve. So that's how your development is going to look like. So even this upper part, there you go. You understand? So to get it this other side, it should be the repetition of this point. So you know what point 1 is in line with point 11, which means is right there. Point 2 is in line with point 8, which means is right there. Point 3 in line with point 9, which is the center. It's this one there, it goes the center. Point 3 in line with point 9, which is this one. Then the point 4 in line with what? With point 8. There it is 4, which is this one. Then point 5. Check, you must be very careful because this is 6. There it is 0.6, which is right there, which means 0.5 is there and 0.4 is there. Remember, they were very close to each other as if they are sharing the same line. You understand? So even this other side, then without fear or favor, we are going to have a solid line here and a point there and a point down there. You are repeating what you did this other side. Point there, there you go, like here we go, like there we go, like there we go, there we go, back to 0. So then now you can join them using your flex curve or your freehand. So that's how you go about it. So this is your true length. This is your true length. This is your front view. Front view. Then this one is your full development. You understand? So that's how we got it. We firstly drew this one, then we divided it into 12 equal parts. We took them, then once they touch this bottom part of our front view, we directed them to our apex point, isn't it? Then from there we made use of this R reference point. Then we place the compass there. There you go. Then there you go. There you go. There you go, there you go, all of them. Place it there to 6, place it there to 7, place it there to 9, place it there to 10, 11, back to 0. Then once they are here, we directed them to what? To stationary point. I mean to vanishing, to our apex point. You understand? Then from there, then we projected them like this. All of them. Remember that this development, it is not necessary that it has to be like this. It can be wherever you might put it, wherever you like to put it, as long as you record dimension here and then you take them to your development. You understand? Then from there, once we got this line, we got the value of L. Then we divided this up until they were 12 equally spaced. Then from there we took them to our apex point. Then after that we came here, we got this, and this it helps us to get the upper points, only the upper points. So the bottom points we use these ones because it's straight from here till here. So that is why we didn't had any problem. Assuming it was cutted like this, it was going to be something else, even somewhere there. You understand? So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video, guys.